For micro dispensing, there is one product line that is proven and trusted by manufacturers in semiconductor packaging, electronics assembly, medical device, and electromechanical assembly the world over. DL Technology, superior pumps and needles for the finer things in life.
Welcome to Plasmatreat here at Productronica. I'm joined by Nico Kunin. Nice to see you again, Nico.
Hi, Trevor. Nice to see you.
Yeah, so you've had a busy time certainly through the last couple of years, and I noticed that you've sort of taken a deep dive into the semiconductor industry. A couple of new products here.
Absolutely. We're really happy to showcase a brand new machine. Basically, one of our major customers in the semiconductor industry was using our products, but he was using it through an automation company that was building the machines for them.
Yeah.
So we have now, actually in like half a year's time, come up with a completely machine ready to go for the semiconductor industry with all the whistles and bells, SecChem, dual lane, dual gantry, you name it.
Wow. Well, I mean, I guess the automation component of it, you probably brought to the table through your history in the industry.
I have, of course, a little bit of history with robotics, dispensing, and this. So yeah, I could bring something to the table there.
Yeah.
And but still, I think the team at Plasmatreat did really great job in doing so many new things, implementing it in such a short time. So.
Okay. So what is the specific application that you've got this configured for?
In this particular application, the customer is pre-treating the substrates before they get flux underfill and then doing a thermal compress bonding process.
Okay. So and it's as you say, it's a dual lane configuration. So the throughput rate must be pretty decent.
This is a customer specific machine where we had a goal of 400 JDEC trays per hour. And in order to do that with a limitation of 100 millimeter speed that we could run on the plasma side, we had to come up with dual lane, dual gantry.
Right. Excellent. Okay. And the only parameters you've got on the plasma side, of course, is height and speed, essentially. But
height and speed are the two major. Of course, we have all the settings for the power and the different nozzle sizes and all that. So there's a lot of things behind it. But to make things really simple, I mean, speed and height are really critical in a plasma process.
Right. Okay, great. So this is latest machine. It's available now, is it, or is it?
Yep. It's available now. It's been delivered to the customers already. So we're really
ready
proud
to go.
to enter this market specifically with a full ready-to-go system.
Super. Okay. Now you've got another product that you brought out here, which is also for the semiconductor industry. Let's take a quick walk around and look at that.
Well, yep.
Okay, so Nico, here we are round at this other machine. It's an Inline Copper Reduction system. Can you explain to us a little bit how it works?
Yes, I can. Basically, copper oxidizes. So if you have an oxidized layer on copper and you need to do a next process, whether it's soldering or sintering or wire bonding, it doesn't work. So these parts needs to be cleaned. And normally they can only do this with a chemical process or with a long vacuum process with chemicals inside. So what we have come up with is to do this as an inline process. So you can bring the parts onto the production floor and do an inline process, which is much faster and it's
much cleaner too, by the looks of it. Yeah. I mean, getting messed up. It's messy working with chemical etching and all that.
You have to go in and out the clean rooms.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to do that. So if you can do a process within the clean room, it's going to go much faster and it's going to be there's a lot of interest from certain customers there.
Okay, great. Super. Okay, well, again, this machine's also available now, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's available. So basically, I can demonstrate if you would like to see how it works.
Yeah, please give us a quick demonstration.
So normally the most carrier gases that we use is clean dry air, but in this case we use a forming gas formulation.
You're using a forming gas on it, okay?
Yeah. So normally if you have oxygen, it will re-oxidize, so we cannot use an oxygen here. So that's why we have the forming gas needed to do this.
Right. Fairly fast process by the looks of it. And there you have it. One finished Plasmatreat system. There you go. Okay. Nico,
Yeah,
thank you very much.
you're welcome.